What is going on, you guys? Josh here from the DeFi guys once again. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how to copy YouTube videos to start earning crypto. You guys can see there's a few payments right here. We had a payment on the 2nd for $497. We had a payment on the 13th for $361 and the 14th for $128. The reason why you're seeing a gap in payments right here is the website that we were using to make crypto from, to make Bitcoin from, was down for about 10 days, or else we would be seeing consistent income day in and day out. So this is a really cool strategy, really cool method I'm going to show you. If you are brand new to the channel, one of the first things you're going to want to make sure that you do is watch the playlist below and start with video 1. So what you're watching right now makes perfect sense. Okay, so do that number 1 if you're brand new. Also, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and tick the bell icon, because you're going to want to see every single video within this case study series. Okay. Now that we've got that out of the way, what we're going to do in this video is actually show you how to set up your crypto YouTube channel. So what we want to do here is we just want to simply go to google.com. We're going to make sure that we're signed out of all of our accounts here. And we're going to click on continue here, make sure I'm all signed out. And now what we're going to do is we're going to click on sign in. And then we're going to click on use another account. And we're going to go ahead and create an account right here. We'll click on for myself. And we'll go ahead and we'll enter information right here. So I'm just going to enter a random first name and last name. You can use whatever information you choose to do so. So let's just put my real name. Why not? Josh Holder. And then as far as a username, we're going to do crypto cash flow 123 and see if that pulls anything up. Looks like it's already taken. So we'll do crypto cash flow, crypto passive king. Let's try that out. Guys, by the way, this is just off the cuff. I'm showing you over the shoulder live exactly what I would do to go from zero to start making $10,000 per month in the form of crypto. So all the income that I've earned that I showed you at the beginning of this video, I'm following the strategies that I'm showing you right now. So let's go ahead, let's set up this account and make sure that you're following me step by step. And we're going to go ahead and enter my phone number here. And we're going to click on next. And we're going to enter the Google verification code that I just received. Enter that in right here. Click on verify. And recovery email address, we'll go ahead and enter that in. And then you just want to enter in the rest of your information right here. Okay, mine will be blurred for privacy purposes. And we're going to click on next. And we're going to click on yes, I'm in. We're going to go ahead and agree to the privacy terms. And then it should take us right to our Gmail inbox. So we're going to go ahead and continue in a new Chrome profile. It's going to pull up a new profile for us. Oh, we'll make it yellow. Why not? And now what we're going to do is we're going to go over to youtube.com. So we're going to go here. We're going to click on the boxes here, the Google apps. We're going to go to YouTube. And now we're going to start setting up our account. So show notifications. Sure, why not? Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on the profile up here, and we're going to go ahead and create a channel. Now we're going to call this crypto cash flow 123. Why not? Handle is going to be crypto cash flow 123. We're going to go ahead and create the channel. We'll upload a picture later when we start creating our graphics. And now our channel is created. What we're going to do is we're now going to click on customize channel. And we're going to click on continue. And what we could do is we can change the layout. We can change the branding. We can change, the basic info right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to start on basic info, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to create a description. Now, the description of our video, or of our channel, I guess you could say, for our videos is going to be obviously relevant to making passive income with crypto, DeFi, maybe some trading strategies, everything in between. So what we're going to put here is we are going to put this channel is about teaching entrepreneurs and beginners to crypto how to make passive income leveraging affiliate marketing, trading, and decentralized finance. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for weekly videos on how to go from zero to earning up to $10,000 a month plus in the crypto space. So that's our description. You could put some sort of variation of that description right here. What you can also do is you can use ChatGPT. If you guys are familiar with AI, most of you guys are, we can actually have ChatGPT write a description for us. So here we are open on a window on ChatGPT, and we can type in, can you create an about section on a new YouTube channel about teaching people how to make passive income with crypto. What I will also do is I will make it so you can make a different variation of the About Me section that I have. And I'll post that below, and you can just go ahead and plug that into ChatGPT, exactly how I'm going to show you right now. But look, check this out. Sure, I can help you create an About section. Welcome to channel name. Like, check this out. This is epic, right? So you can use AI to write these descriptions for you. What we can also do is I will just put, can you make this unique and write 5 different variations of the following? Again, I'll put this in the description below so you can plug this into ChatGPT. And it's going to write 5 unique variations of the statement that I provided. Check it out. Like, this is really, really cool stuff. So you can use ChatGPT to write your titles, your descriptions, and we're going to be using ChatGPT amongst other AI tools as we build and grow our YouTube channel. Okay, you can see that it's creating 5 different variations right now, and you guys can go ahead and take this exact About Me and you can rewrite it using ChatGPT, because we want to make all of our channels unique. So now that we've done that, we have our description, we have our handle, our name. As far as channel URL, we can't change that quite yet. We don't need to worry about that. We're just going to go ahead. We're going to publish. So let's click on publish. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go to settings down here. And then we're going to go to channel. And then country of residence, we can put our country right here. And then we can add keywords that are relevant to what our channel is about. So it's going to be about crypto passive income. It's going to be about make money. It's going to be about affiliate marketing. You can use these exact tags. It's going to be about make money online. It's going to be about crypto trading. It's going to be about DeFi, and then we'll also put decentralized finance. Okay. And then what we're going to do is check out advanced settings, feature eligibility. We don't need to worry about that yet. And then we're going to go ahead and click on save. Now, when we upload our first video, we will need to do some extra verification so we can put links in our description. We're not going to worry about that on this video because the next video we will upload our first video. But for the remainder of this video, what we want to do is we want to set up our branding. So we want to do our picture, we want to do our banner image, and we could even do a video watermark. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to set that up right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to a website called canva.com. I'm actually kind of pulling it up right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over there, and you can use this for free. So go to canva.com. You'll come to a page that looks like this, and then we can type in YouTube banner. And then we can select YouTube banner right here. And then what we can even do further is you have different types of banners right here. You have fitness, aesthetic, travel, beauty. We're just going to type in crypto YouTube banner. We're going to see what comes up. See if we have anything. Search for crypto YouTube banner. And we can see one right here. We can see, it looks like this is tech review. Let's see if we can find something that's related to crypto somewhat. A lot of different options that we have right here. Let's see if there's anything related to finance or crypto. Not a lot related to crypto specifically. But we can spend so much time looking through all these different banners here. Let's just simply pick one. I'm going to go ahead and there's one I saw that was near the top that I liked. I'm just going to go ahead and pick this tech review one here. And yeah, I think this one's perfect. Let's go ahead and click on customize this template. And we're going to obviously use our branding. So our branding was in fact crypto cash flow 123. Crypto cash. Let's see, we'll do passive. Let's see, crypto, we'll just type in crypto cash flow 123. Okay. And then we'll put learn how to make passive income. Yeah, passive income with crypto. And we'll make this larger. And we'll do new videos weekly. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and move this over. And that's perfect. Super basic. We'll go ahead and go with that. And we'll download it. And then we will go ahead and upload it to our new YouTube channel. So let's go ahead and pull it up and we'll drag it over to right here. We're just going to take it from my downloads page. We're going to upload it. We're going to drag it over to the banner image. And you can see the full image right here, but it looks like we need to click on the upload button here and find it in our download section. Looks like it's right here. And then we can go ahead and we can upload it. So you can see this is how it's going to look on TV, desktop, and other devices. Wonder if we can move this over a little bit. Looks like we can't. This looks perfectly fine though. So let's go ahead and click on done. That's all done there. And now we got our profile picture here. It says it needs to be 98 by 98. So we're going to jump back over to good old Canva right here. And we're going to go back home. So what we're going to do is we're going to type in YouTube profile logo. And let's see if we can pull anything up here. YouTube channel logo. We've got a bunch of different logos right here. Let's go ahead and go with kind of the red theme that we have. Let's do, I kind of like this one. Let's go ahead and go with this, customize this template. Do crypto. It was crypto cash flow 123, right? Yeah, crypto cash flow 123. Again, guys, we're doing this right on the fly. You guys can take as much time as you want to. And then I'm going to see if maybe there's, let's see, I want to go to like elements right here and see if we can get some money. Money. Yeah, let's throw some money in here. Here we go. Now let's go ahead and download this. And I think this is the right size. We'll double check and see if this works. So I just had to re-download it as a JPEG. So now we can click on this here, click on open, and yeah, that looks about right. We'll click on done, and you can see that picture right there. Then if we want to, we can go ahead and we can add a watermark, just following the same exact process. Now let's go ahead and let's upload our watermark. What we could do is actually just change the dimensions here, make them 150 by 150. And make it transparent. So let's go ahead and let's see if we can do that. So let's go back to this original image here and let's see if we can actually change the canvas size. So what we're going to do is click on resize right here, and we're going to make this 150 by 150. And we can click on copy and resize. And then we can click on share, and we can download this as a transparent background. And click on download. And it looks like that's downloaded. Now let's jump back over here. We'll click on upload. And here we go. Click on open right here. We'll click on done. And it looks like that shows up there. Now, what we can actually do is we can change this. One minor change I'm going to make is I want to make this black. Let's go ahead and let's make this black. Let's go ahead and let's make this black. And let's re-download this. Because again, it's going to be transparent. And if my background's white, then the lettering is just going to go ahead and blend in, and we won't be able to see the whole entire logo. So let's go ahead and click on remove. Let's upload the new one here. Yeah, I think this one's going to work better. So we just click on entire video, click on publish, and we're good to go. So at this point, make sure that you've completed a deposit in the income streams that are listed in the first video. Again, if you haven't done that, make sure you check the playlist below. And now at this stage, you should also have your YouTube channel set up, and you should be ready to go to upload your first video to your YouTube channel tomorrow. So go ahead, complete the steps. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.